Fluent Futures: How English Fluency Shapes Your Path. Introduction. Fluency in English is more than just a linguistic skill, it is a powerful tool that can shape your future in profound ways. As the global lingua franca, English opens doors to a myriad of opportunities, from academic and career advancement to cultural exchange and personal growth. This article explores the impact of English fluency on individuals' lives and how it can pave the way for a brighter and more successful future. Body 1. Academic advancement. English fluency is a key requirement for admission to many top universities around the world. Proficiency in English enables students to access a broader range of educational opportunities and pursue their academic goals. 2. Career opportunities. In today's competitive job market, English fluency is often a prerequisite for many positions, particularly in multinational companies. Mastery of English can significantly enhance career prospects and open doors to new and exciting job opportunities. 3. Global communication. English fluency enables individuals to communicate effectively with people from diverse cultural backgrounds. This ability to connect with others globally is invaluable in an increasingly interconnected world. 4. Cultural exchange. Through English fluency, individuals can engage with and appreciate the rich cultural heritage of English-speaking countries. This exposure to different cultures can broaden one's horizons and deepen their understanding of the world. 5. Personal growth. Learning a new language is a challenging yet rewarding experience that can lead to personal growth and development. English fluency can boost confidence, improve cognitive abilities, and enhance communication skills. In conclusion, English fluency is a powerful asset that can shape your future in countless ways. From opening doors to new educational and career opportunities to fostering global communication and cultural exchange, the benefits of English fluency are undeniable. By mastering English, individuals can pave the way for a fluent future filled with endless possibilities. So, embrace the power of English fluency and embark on a journey to shape your path to success today.